So we started looking for a GRC program at MMI in 2014. The reason for that was we had too many manual processes, too many small teams, no enforcement of risk management processes and standardization, and it became critical and important to MMI to have a unified approach to GRC. So when we started the GRC journey at MMI, we were looking for a wide range of applications, from applications for operational risk management, losses, metrics, key risk indicators, and also for compliance. So we were looking for GRC intelligence, so where we could automate regulatory feeds, and we were also looking for operational audit for compliance because our processes are mainly audit-based for compliance, and looking to bring internal audit into the fray through the issue management process as well. We embarked on a lengthy process to select MetricStream as our preferred vendor, and we started by designing the end in mind, so we knew we needed all of these applications. We worked with the MetricStream team to design all of the needs we had, and we staggered our approach to deploying that to the end users. It was important to get everyone on board, and we had many other conflicting priorities in MMI, so we started out slow, took it easy, and once we'd got our first deployment done, the rest followed in quick succession. So from a challenge perspective and from a pitfalls at MMI, we had lots of disparate teams across MMI, no single framework, many different interpretations of how those frameworks were done, and we needed to work hard on change management, redesigning our operating model so that we had bigger teams that could benefit from each other's learnings and also create more unified processes. Some of the other challenges included too much reporting, regulatory fatigue, because there's a plethora of regulation affecting us in all of the jurisdictions we're in, and making sure that risk management was seen to be adding value to MMI. Some of the difficulties we had up front related to silos, duplication in efforts, and not having teams that were making sure that MMI was getting the best assurance coverage for the key exposures we had in MMI. We needed to overcome that through change management, bringing the different teams together, harmonizing our way of work and our methodologies, and that in itself was quite challenging because we needed to change ways of work and processes as well as implement a technology solution to ensure harmonization and consistency in methodology. Key elements of success is work with the technology provider, know that it's best to go with the out-of-the-box offering that is offered to you. Customization is not all that it's made out to be. I've said it to all of my teams at MMI that if the out-of-the-box functionality works for hundreds of other customers of the technology provider MetricStream, why would it not work for us? That was a key learning for us from all of our interactions with other customers, that keep it simple, go out of the box, and then if you need customization, you can bring customization in later. Communication, can never over-communicate with teams because people feel threatened by technology implementations, they feel threatened by process changes, and if you communicate the benefits to them in their jobs and make sure that you reskill them for post the implementation of the technology, then you are set for success. So MMI has gotten quite a lot of recognition as a standard bearer for GRC from other peers who are also looking to revamp their GRC programs. We've got a very good experienced team, strong executive support from the CRO, from the rest of the executive team, and from the board. And we've been working very well with other customers in the same region that MMI is in to make sure that we get the best benefit for GRC for the region. It's not about the technology, it's about bettering risk management in South Africa and in the rest of the world. So this is my second time at an GRC Summit for MetricStream in the European region. One of the key benefits that I've shared with other people attending the summit is the ability to interact with peers, to have open, honest, transparent conversation with people about their GRC journeys, and also to get some great insights from the keynote speakers that attend the summit. So I've seen M7 and I'm very excited. I keep asking, when can I have M7? It is a really great new interface. It makes GRC fun, even though it's quite a challenging topic in itself. And I can't wait to implement M7 because I know that once we're using M7 at MMI, we'll have a greater user adoption.